Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to evaluate the 64th power of this radical expression. We have the square root upon the square root upon the square root upon the square root upon the square root of 4 to the power of 64. And we are asked not to make use of calculators. Right? So let's see how we're going to do it. So in our today's video, we're going to use this important and interesting identity, right? So we can see that we have the nth root upon the nth root upon the nth root all the way to the nth root upon the nth root of k, where we have this nth root m times, that this is equal to the n to the mth power of k, which is equal to k to the power of 1 all over n to the power of m. Okay, so let us understand this formula very well. When we have the square root of 2, this is equal to, remember this radical sign is the square root. So let us write it like this, the square root of 2, right? And we have this radical sign one time. So using this formula from here, we can write this as the 2 to the first power root of 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Right? Okay. Now let's take note of another one. When we have the square root upon the square root of 5. So this is going to be equal to, the square root means the 2th root, right? So now this is going to be the 2 to the power of, count the radical sign, we have 1, 2. So 2 to the power of 2th power of 5, which is equal to 5 to the power of 1 over 2 squared, which is equal to 5 to the power of 1 over 4. Amazing, right? Okay. So now in our today's video, we're going to evaluate. Remember, we have the square root upon the square root upon the square root upon the square root upon the square root of 4, then to the power of 64. So this is what we're asked to evaluate. So this is going to be equal to, so now inside the bracket we have, so we have 2, because that is square root, right? Meaning 2th root. So now let's count the radical signs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So which means 2 to the 5th power of 4. Then everything is raised to the power of 64. So which is equal to 4 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 5. Then raised to the power of 64. Right? So this will be equal to 4 to the power of 1 all over 2 to the 5th power is 32. So 1 over 32. Then raised to the power of 64, which is equal to 4 to the power of 1 over 32. Remember, we multiply these powers times 64. So this is equal to 4 to the power of, now this is over 1. 64 times 1 here is 64, divided by 32 times 1 here is 32. So we know very well that 64 divided by 32 is 2, because 32 times 2 is 64. So 4 to the power of 2. So from here we get our right answer, which is equal to 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. So therefore the right answer is 16. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye bye.